honey, Papa P.
Yes, maganda ng kiligin kina Sir Chief at Maya ng Be Careful With My Heart. Mga pamilya, let's all welcome Richard Yap and Miss Santa Maria!
Gentlemen, ang Sir Chief at Maya na Ride and Honey, Richard Yap and Jody Santa Maria.
Wow, grabe!
Kilig-nuts talaga to. Kilig-sola.
Masha Home Studio, this is such a good testament na makikita nyo kung gaano kainit at phenomenal ang pagtanggap ng ating mga kapamilya sa Please Be Careful With My Heart. Hindi lang sa TV, Kuya Gary. Alam niyo ba ngayon? They're conquering every media na ngayon. Dahil dyan,
we would like to call in Jonathan Manalo, Audio Content Head for Star Records. Miss Ginny Ocampo, Business Unit Head, and Rock Santos, Overall Album Producer, to award the gold record
Mga
for Be
kapamilya,
Careful With My Heart official soundtrack album.
mga kapamilya, the soundtrack of today's phenomenal daytime series, Be Careful With My Heart, is now gold. So in behalf of Miss Malu Santos, Mr. Roxy Liquigan, and the entire Star Records, I am awarding this Paris Certified Gold Record Award to the cast and the singers of the soundtrack, Mr. Richard Yap, Jody Santa Maria, and Miss Gina Ocampo, Business Unit Head of ABS-CBN, is also with us here, and album producer, Rock Santos. Congratulations! Abangan ninyo yung part 2, ha? May part 2 na to. Ayun.
Wow! Yes, congratulations muli kay Maya and Sir Chief dahil talagang kilig match ang kanilang tambalan. Pero syempre, we'd like to hear a few words from our beloved Bitas.
Maraming salamat sa lahat ng bumili ng at nakinig at nag-enjoy sa official album ng Be Careful With My Heart. Patuloy nyo pa rin suportahan ang Be Careful With My Heart album. It's available in all record bars nationwide.
Dati po sa video, okay lang po ako makanta. Ngayon may gold record na. Thank you very much po sa lahat ng suporta ninyo. At sana po patuloy nyo pa rin pong subaybayan ang kaabang-abang na kwento ng Be Careful With My Heart. Maraming pa pong mangyayari sa mga susunod na araw. At abangan po ninyo kung magkikiss na ba si Maya at saka si Sir Chief.
Ala!
Ayan, bago po yan mag-showtime, Be Careful With My Heart Rewind po tuwing Sabado, 10 a.m. At mamayang 5 p.m. po, nasa Market po kami. So sana magkita-kita po tayo dyan. Available na rin po ang volumes 1 to 5 ng DVD ng Be Careful With My Heart. At may world tour din po kami.
Wait, World Tour.
First leg ay sa Mills, malaki dyan ang kapilya.
Sa main po, you and Canada Miss. Abangan nyo doon.
And
Yes!
Miss Jeannie, ang aming pong business unit head.
Yes! The woman behind the phenomenal Please Be Careful With My Heart, Miss Jean.
On behalf of Be Careful With My Heart family, I'd like to congratulate Jody and Richard. We're so proud of you.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much. Third, maraming salamat sa inyo. You're here, part of the ASAP 18 kapamilya.
Thank you din sa I Want TV
Up
viewers
next.
and kay Miss Ginny Ocampo.